Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session, I am going to explain 2019 advanced paper. So, if you observe the chemistry paper, in each subject, three sections are there. Section 1 consists of 4 questions. Only one answer is correct out of 4 options. And in case of section 2, 8 questions are there. That section is a multiple answer questions. And section 3, 6 questions are there. In the section 3, that questions are integer questions or numerical value questions. But in this session, I will explain the section 1 and section 2 only. Just you read the instructions, or you take the screenshot of that instructions. Just you see the question number 1. Molar conductivity of aqueous solution of sodium stearate which behaves as a strong electrolyte is recorded at varying concentrations of sodium citrate. Which one of the following plots provides the correct representation of methyl formation in the solution? Here this question from electrochemistry, but this matter belongs to surface chemistry. First we know the detergents. Generally in a detergent the sodium stearate or lauryl sulfate is there. The sodium stearate acts as a strong electrolyte at low concentration, but at a high concentration after reaching the CMC it forms aggregate molecule. So when the aggregate molecule is formed, there is sudden decrease in the molar conductivity. Now you observe all the 4 graphs. In all 4 graphs, first we have to take the A option. In the A option, the plot is taken between lambda m and root c. Generally, if the concentration increases, molar conductivity decreases. So, when the concentration is increases, the molar conductivity decreases slowly. But at CMC or after CMC, better to say, after CMC, the molar conductivity suddenly decreases. Why it is suddenly decreases? Due to formation of methyl, the aggregate molecule is formed. Therefore, the conductivity decreases. Therefore, the right answer is A. What is the right answer? Right answer is A. Now see the question number 2. The green color produced in the borax bead test of chromium 3 salt is due to. In borax bead test, on heating of borax, we are getting the B2O3 and sodium borate. In sodium borate, the charge on the borate ion is -1. And in the case of chromium 3 salt, the charge on the chromium ion is +3. So if you write the crisscross method, Cr3 plus and BO2 minus. So on crisscross method, we are getting Cr BO2 taken thrice. Therefore, the right answer is C. What is the right answer? Right answer is C. Next. See the question number 3. In case of question number 3, just you observe it. Just you observe the question number 3. The correct order of acidic strength of the following carboxylic acids. The correct order of the carboxylic acids. Here, let us see this one. In case of first one, the COOH group. COOH group. This is the COOH group. Here also this is a COOH group. Here this is a COOH group. And here also COOH group. The COOH groups are attached to the, here it attached to the sp carbon. Here it is attached to the sp2 carbon. Here it is attached to the sp2 carbon. But here it is attached to the sp3 carbon. If the COOH group is attached to the sp carbon, its acidic strength is more. Generally the s orbital character is more, acidic strength is more. Therefore this is a more acidic one. Next, you observe the second and third. In both cases, the COH group is attached to the sp2 carbon. But in case of third option, this MEO, that is methoxy group, it is an electron releasing group. So due to electron releasing group, the acidic strength is decreases. Electron withdrawing groups increase the acidic strength. Electron releasing groups decrease the acidic strength. Therefore, this is the second one. This is the third one. And in case of fourth option, here COOH group is attached to the sp3 carbon, and methyl group show the plus I effect. Due to plus I effect, the acidic strength is decreases. Therefore, it is a fourth one. Means the what is the correct order? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the right answer is 1. We can also explain on the basis of the pKa values. The acid which have the less pKa, that is more acidic. Just you observe it, it is a 1.86, and second one is a 4.3, this is 4.5, and this is a 4.88. So with respect to the pKa value, again we are saying this is a strong one, this is the weakest one. So the right answer is A. Now you see the question number 4. Question number 4. In case of question number 4, calamine, malachite, magnetite and cryolite. Here calamine is nothing but the zinc carbonate, and malachite is nothing but the CuCO3 and CuOH taken twice, and cryolite is Na3AlF6. Na3AlF6, that is the cryolite, and magnetite is Fe3O4. Fe3O4. So these are the formula of calamine, malachite, magnetite and cryolite. So therefore the correct combination is D. What is the correct combination? The correct combination is D. Therefore right answer is D. Right answer is D. So this is section 1. Now we go for the section 2. It consists of 8 questions and multiple options are right one. So here full marks and partial marks is there. Just you read the instructions of section 2. I will explain the. Now you observe the section 2. Which of the following option contains a set of 4 molecules? Identify the options where all 4 molecules possess permanent dipole moment at room temperature. First we know the which molecule show the permanent dipole moment. Here molecules which does not having the symmetric structure and they have the polar nature and they show the dipole moment. So the molecules which have the symmetric structure, they does not show the dipole moment. Now you observe the option A. In option A, NO2 group is there and NH3 group is there, POCl3 is there, CH3Cl is there. Here all are polar molecules and they show the dipole moment, therefore A is the right one. Next, in case of BF3, it is a trigonal planar symmetric, therefore it does not show the dipole moment. And remaining molecules show the dipole moment, therefore this is a wrong statement. And BeCl is a symmetric structure, CO is a symmetric structure, BCl is a symmetric structure. First 3 compound does not show the dipole moment, but the last one show the dipole moment. But in the question they are asking the set of molecules show the dipole moment. Therefore, it is also a wrong statement. And S4 is a angular shape, polar molecule show the dipole moment. Chlorobenzene show the dipole moment. H2SE show the dipole moment. BRF5, it is a square pyramidal shape, polar molecule, therefore it is also show the dipole moment. Therefore all the molecules show the dipole moment. Therefore the right answer is 1. Right answer is 1. Next, see the question number 2. So right answer is A and D. Next, See the question number 2. Which of the following statements is are correct regarding the root means square speed and average translational kinetic energy of a molecule in a gas at equilibrium? A. URMS is inversely proportional to the square root of its molecular mass. It is the right statement. You know very well RMS velocity proportional to 1 by root m. Why? Because RMS velocity equals to under root of 3 RT by m. At given temperature, T is a constant, R is a constant, and 3 value also constant. Therefore, the sum of the product of these values are constant. Therefore, RMS velocity inversely proportional to square root of its molar mass. Therefore, A is the right statement. Next, you observe the B. Average kinetic energy is double when the temperature is increased 4 times. That is a wrong statement. Why? Because kinetic energy KE or average kinetic energy directly proportional to temperature. How many times temperature increases? Same time the kinetic energy increases. Therefore, B is the wrong statement. Now see the option C. URMS is double when temperature increased 4 times. Just you observe this equation. Here RMS velocity equal to under root of 3 RT by m if the temperature is increased by 4 times. Let us say root 4 equal to 2. Means if the temperature is increased 4 times, what happened? The RMS velocity increased by only 2 times. Therefore, C is the right statement. A right statement, C right statement. Next, E average at given temperature does not depends its molar mass or molecular mass. Here, kinetic energy directly proportional to temperature but not molar mass. Therefore, D is a right statement. Therefore, A, C, D are right statements in case of question number 2. Now, see the question number 3. See the question number 3. Which of the following statements is or true? The two six-membered cyclic hemiacetals forms alpha D plus glucose called anomer. That is the right statement. Just you observe this one. Here is the OH group in the downward position. Here OH group is the upward position at first asymmetric carbon. These molecules are called as anomers. Therefore, A statement is right statement. Next, idols of sucrose gives dextrorotatory glucose and levorotatory fructose. Here, the glucose rotate the plane polarized light in the right hand direction. Therefore, it is a dextrorotatory compound. This is a right statement. And in case of a fructose, it can rotate the plane polarized light in the left hand direction. Therefore, it is called a levorotatory. Therefore, A statement right, B statement right. Next, monosaccharides cannot be hydrolyzed to give polyhydroxyaldehydes and ketones. It is also right statement. Next, D. Oxidation of glucose with bromine water gives glutamic acid. This is a wrong statement. It does not give the glutamic acid, it gives the gluconic acid. This is a gluconic acid, not a glutamic acid. Therefore, D option is wrong one. Therefore, what are the right options? A, B, C are right options. In the decay sequence, 92 uranium 238 and emission of X1 90 thorium 234 is formed. Here atomic number decreased by 2 units and mass number is decreased by 4 units. Therefore, X1 is alpha particle, nothing but 2 helium 4. 2 helium 4. Next, 90 thorium gives the 91 protactinium and there is no change in the mass number. Therefore, X2 is a beta particle. Next, protactinium emit the X3 particle, give the 92Z and 234. Here atomic number increased by 1 unit. There is no change in the mass number. Therefore, X3 is also beta particle. And in case of 92Z234 give 90 thorium-230, here atomic number decreased by 2 units and mass number is decreased by 4 units. Therefore, X4 also alpha particles. Now you observe the options. X will be deflected towards negative charged plate. Here alpha particle nothing but the 2 helium-4. It has a 2 units positive charge. Therefore, positive charged particles are deflected towards negative charged plate. That is the right statement. And X2 is a beta particle. That is a beta particle. It is also right statement. X3 is a gamma ray. That is a wrong statement because X3 is a beta particle. And Z is an isotope of uranium. Here 92 uranium, here 92Z. Here atomic number is same and mass numbers are different. Such type of nucleides are called as isotopes. Therefore, D is the right statement. So, what are the right answers? A, B, D are right options. Next, see the question number 5. A tin chloride Q undergoes the following set reaction. Q plus Cl minus gives X is monoanion having the pyramidal geometry, both pyramidal geometry. Q react with trimethylamine and CuCl2 gives Y and Z respectively. Both Y and Z are neutral compounds. Choose the correct options. Here what happened? SnCl2 react with the Cl minus ion, it gives the SnCl3 minus. SnCl3 minus. Here if you observe the structure of SnCl3 minus, it has a 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. Therefore, it has a which structure? Pyramidal structure. And hybridization is sp3. Therefore, first A statement is right statement. Next, there is a coordinate bond in Y. That is coordinate bond in Y. Let us see this second reaction. In SnCl2 one empty pair orbital is there. In trimethylamine at nitrogen atom one lone pair of electron is there. Therefore, the coordinate covalent bond formed between the nitrogen and tin atom. Therefore, it is a right statement. A is the right statement and B is the right statement. Next, the oxidation state of the central atom in Z is +2. Here not a +2, it is a +4. In SnCl4, oxidation state is a +4. Therefore, it is a wrong statement. Next, the central atom in Z has a 1 electron pair of electrons. 1 lone pair of electrons. It is a wrong statement. Why? Because in SnCl4, the Sn is a 4th group element. All 4 electrons are participating in the bond formation. Therefore, there is a no lone pair of electrons. Therefore, D is a wrong statement. Therefore, right answers are A and B only. A and B only. Next, see the question number 6. Choose the reactions from the following option for which the standard enthalpy of reaction is equals to standard enthalpy of formation. Here enthalpy of formation means the amount of energy released or absorbed when 1 mole of substance is formed from its constituent elements from its standard state. For example, if you observe the option A, that is SC8, that is the rhombic sulfur react with oxygen, give the 1 mole of sulfur dioxide. Here only 1 mole of sulfur dioxide is formed in the gaseous state, therefore it is a right statement. Here in case of the B option, all are in standard condition, but the 2 moles of water is given, therefore it is a wrong option. If the 1 mole of water is formed, that will be right option, but here 2 moles are given. According to definition, only 1 mole of substance should be formed. That is the wrong one. But here in case of formation of O3, O3 is formed from its constituent element, that is the oxygen. It is also right statement. And in case of D, that is the wrong one. Why? Because the standard form of carbon is graphite and it should be solid state, but they are mentioned in the gaseous state, therefore it is the wrong statement. Therefore, right options are A and C. Right options are A and C. Now see the question number 7. In question number 7, choose the correct options for the following set of reaction. C6H10O, it is a cyclic ketone, cyclohexanone. The cyclohexanone treated with methyl magnesium bromide, then hydrolysis, it give the alcohol. It give the tertiary alcohol. Just you observe this reaction. So it give the tertiary alcohol. When it treated with the concentrated HCl, it give the tertiary chloride, alkyl chloride. And when it treated with the H3PO4, at 360 Kelvin temperature, dehydration take place. Therefore, it give the alkene. And when it is treated with HBr in the presence of benzyl peroxide, so this follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. Therefore, we are getting the bromine atom at more hydrogen carbon atom. Therefore, that is a U. And when it is treated with treated with H2 and Ni, H2 in the presence of Ni, then it is followed by bromination in the presence of sunlight. It gives this compound. So just you observe it. So what are the right options? Right options are A and C. This is a U compound, this is a T compound, this is S compound, this is U compound. If you know this sequence, these reactions, so we will get the answer very easily. But it is a little difficult problem. Now see the question number 8. Question number 8, it is from a D block element directly from an NCERT book. The fusion of MnO2 with KOH in the presence of O2 produces a salt W. That salt is nothing but the K2MnO4. K2MnO4. The alkaline solution of W upon electrolytic oxidation yield the another salt X. That another salt nothing but the KMnO4. The manganese containing ions present in the W and X respectively are Y and Z. That is permanganate ion and manganate ion. That manganate ion is MnO4 2 minus, permanganate ion is MnO4 minus. Here permanganate ion and manganate ion both undergoes sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. This is the permanganate ion and this is the manganate ion. In permanganate and manganate ion, the double bonds are present. The double bond is formed between the d orbital of Mn and the p orbital of oxygen. And here this manganate ion does not having the unpaired electron, therefore it is diamagnetic, and permanganate ion. But in case of manganate ion, it have the one unpaired electron, therefore it is a paramagnetic. Now you observe all the options. In both Y and Z, pi bonding occurs between p orbital of oxygen and d orbital of manganese. That is the right statement. This is the p orbital of oxygen and d orbital of manganese. Next, both Y and Z are colored and have tetrahedral shape. That is also right statement. In aqueous acidic solution, Y undergoes disproportionation reaction to give Z and MnO2. That Z is nothing but the KMnO4. That is also right statement. And Y is a diamagnetic in nature while Z is a paramagnetic nature. Here the reverse manner is given. Y is a paramagnetic and Z is a diamagnetic. Okay, thank you.